Guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will show you that how can you uh, delete these empty spaces like this. So as you can see, if you want to delete these empty spaces, you can just select this and right click that and then click on delete, but it is like time consuming if you have a large file that has so many empty spaces, right? So what is the easy steps? How can you just quickly delete these empty cells or empty rows which are coming in between? So I will show you a trick. So first of all, that click any cell. Now you can go to this find and select. Click on go to first, or then click on spatial, or you can do directly click on go to spatial, right? So we need to go to spatial tab. One more way to do this is that click on F5 key from your keyboard. That will open this go to tab and click on spatial, right? So easy way is that go to this find and select and click on go to spatial, and over here you can see there are, you can select many things, right? So you can select row differences, column differences like this. Now we want to delete blank cells, so I will click on this blank, right? And if I click on that, it will automatically select all the blank cells. So I click on OK, and you can see that it automatically selected all the blank cells up to the last one, right? Now just right click anywhere where we have these highlights. So right click that, click on delete, and click on this shift cell up, because we want to delete the cells which are up. And now as you can see, it automatically delete all the cells which are in between, and just moved all this filled cell as a continuous one. So in this way you can just delete empty cells. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.